What's up, dudes? As you see, I got track coupe behind me. Today I've already went ahead and done a little bit because it's pretty damn simple. Went ahead and I'm gonna show you after I tell you. I went ahead and took the paint off. We're gonna be removing the cowl panel because it is broke. The guy, well, it ain't broke. The guy cut it for whatever reason. It's got a cut right here that I'll show you. But I went ahead and removed all the paint off the spot welds. I got one that I already took off another car. Excuse me. It came with the car. They cut the whole firewall out and stuff. Anyway, I'll show you that. Quite a bit of work to do. So this video is going to be a little choppy because I don't see the point. I'm just going to show you one time what I'm doing. Kind of stop the video, come back, and show you the whole process, what we're looking for. Yada, yada, yada. Anyway, I went ahead and stripped the paint. What I used was this, it's a 4-inch polycarbide wheel. Let me see it. I got it from Harbor Freight. It was like, I don't know, actually it was free, but because I had a gift card from somebody. Anyway, 4-inch polycarbide abrasive wheel. Just to take the paint off, put a drill bit, go with it. I've already got a spot weld bit. Spot weld bit. Know if you can, kind of crappy. Anyway, spot weld bit. Did the other one a little different, but because I didn't care that I didn't care about the other thing that the other cowl where I was getting it off of. This one, obviously, we have to have something to weld to on the back side. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. As you can see, we got one here. There's a little bit of a dimple. I went ahead and done this one as a test just to make me not look like a freaking fool. Anyway. So, we're going to take a little punch, basically find the center of it, and put you a little dot there. I'm going to be using a spot weld bit. Got it from Harbor Freight. Went ahead and knocked the paint off everything with this abrasive wheel from Harbor Freight as well. Everything I use, guys, will be down in the description, down to the tools. So anyway, let's go ahead and see how this is going to go. See if it's going to make me look like a fool. Oh, and pretty sure I just cut my knee. As you can see, that literally just popped up. So you can take a, I can't even think of what this thing's called now. Oh Lord, I can't think of what it's called. Anyway, sure y'all have used one. As you can see, I can stick it in here and it comes up. I don't know if y'all can see the flex in it, but it is coming up. Now I've got about 1,000 of these to do. So as soon as I'm done, I'll come back, show you what we got. Alright guys, a little update. Amateur tip, pro tip, whatever you want to call it. To get to these spot welds right here on the bottom side under the hood, I took a grinder with a cutoff wheel and just cut it out. I went ahead and knocked the side ones out with the spot wheel bits, both sides and the top. And then I come through here and cut it because there wasn't no way without cutting into this and stuff like that. Now, I found some more rust. As you see, There's some right here. It's not terrible. Most of it's really easily fixable. Right here seems to be the worst spot. A little bit right in there. Some right in there. Not too terrible. Not unfixable. Not sure how I'm gonna do it yet. Gonna think about it. Gonna go ahead and finish knocking all these out and see what we got under here. Alright dudes, this is a few days later. I was a bit ill prepared. I broke every spot weld bit I had. But anyway, as you see, that little lip's off now. All I have to do is go back and grind this stuff down and smooth it out and get this glue off. Like I mentioned before, there's some right there, some right there, right there, right there, and some right there. I think what I'm gonna do is just take that piece that I cut the other one out of, the other cow pin out of, cut that out and patch that into it. It's probably what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be the easiest. But we still got some patchwork to do. I think the next few videos on this car is basically gonna be getting metal finished, like the floor. All the floor is gonna be finished, getting it patched, all that good stuff, because I don't want to have to deal with any more metal after I stop dealing with metal. Anyway, sorry I didn't post one last weekend. Stay tuned for the next, maybe not next video, just some of y'all are about to be very happy. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share, whatever y'all do. Y'all do most things.